Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. I do wig reviews, wig related content, car vlogs, little life, little makeup, but mostly wig related content. This cutie is Dashly, Sensational's Dashly Unit 1, and there is a review filmed. If it's not up, go ahead and put that down below and I'll put it up. Today I have Model JACY, and it says it's a deep invisible L-shaped part wig. Heat safe up to 400 degrees. I have her in the color OF701. She has a lot of colors. One of the reasons I got this wig was because she reminded me of this one from Free Trust Equal, which I'm convinced they're the same company, but whatever. This was their Brazilian Natural line. It was a lace deep diagonal part, which is similar to the L-shaped parting. This was Flirty Deep. I had her in the color OP27, which I loved this wig. I loved it so much and I wore it so much that I actually had to throw it away. Like, I couldn't even keep it. So if you haven't seen my review for this, check it out. The hair texture on this was so much like my natural curly hair. It was unreal. And so when I'm looking at these, I feel like they look super similar. This one looks a little bit longer, but that's why I scooped this one up, and I got her for on Ebony line for $21.99. This is Miss JACY. I'm dying for this color. This is really giving me a fall vibes situation. She has about, I'd say it's a number 4-ish root. It's not a number 2. It's a silkier texture. It's not the same texture as the Flirty Deep, not at all. It's way silkier. That's the parting. 2 combs set right next to the part. Comb in the back, adjustable strap. She looks to be probably about 21, 22 inches. This is not a lace front. It's a lace parting wig. You know, I love a lace part wig. All right, so let's get this chick off and get this chick on and see what we're working with. Okay, she's a right-sided part. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I was super annoyed about another wig that I just reviewed, and this one's already making me feel happier. So that's good. She's definitely gonna need set down. Oh my gosh, I love this length. All right, let me get this chick together, and then I'm so happy now. And then we'll talk about her. which is funny because, you know, I don't like this whole bangs my face. I'm going to spray this. I really like this wig. I mean, the color of this wig is stunning. This is an older unit, so I did have to lay it down in such a way that, you know, because it's not the same all the way through, which is fine. I just had to lay it down so that it melted over top of that. It was a little humpy for me, so I just worked on that. I always found that these like deep set parts seem to be like very humpy in here because a lot of the hair is on one side. I also laid this, I say this a lot when I'm talking about lace parting wigs, I laid the hair over the cap so that you won't see the cap, like the edge of it. This is really, it's a silky texture, but I don't know, it's like there's like an ashy dustiness to it that I can't describe. I like the tapering. It does taper down, so it's not thick the whole way through. And I do feel like if it gets a little ratty towards the end, it would be so cute to cut it right there. Yeah, where that layer is. Let's look at her from the back. She's really long. She's much longer than I thought. I'm gonna say she's down the middle of my back, so I'm gonna say she's about 24 inches long at the longest, but it is tapered. Oh, movement. Density is really nice. Wig cap is large and it's comfortable. This is all, I'm 5'6.5". It's going well past my chest, so it's about 24 inches. I really love this wig. I really do. I love these old units. I love this old beard coloring. Like, to me, it's really gorgeous. This kind of wig I feel like would be, see, I like this to be not like humpy. I feel like wigs like this really can look really cute like this because it's already going that way, and then that way you don't have to worry about it tangling too much. It's going to tangle a little bit, and even though it's silky, I feel like the wave pattern on it is set really nice, and so I feel like it's going to be easy to work through. Yeah, see how pretty that is? And just like that. Okay, so I absolutely love this wig. After I do the intro part, I am going to spray this right here, spray this sort of over like this, but I want to be able to run my, oh, you just saw me burn myself. I do that all the time. Don't do that. If you think you might burn yourself, like, do this on a wig cap or a wig head, or like put a towel down or something underneath, or just pay attention. Like, I'm not. You have this wig, please let me know if you have another color. Please let me know down below what you think of her. If you have another model wig you would like me to review, please also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and if you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.